Hi, my name is Sanjay. Namaste. My name is Sehgal. We are here today to provide you with two very interesting perspectives on topics which are not only relevant but also useful to you in your life. I feel education is really important in one's life. What do you think about that? Of course, everybody treats education as very important in life, and they should. But they forget there are other things in life, like meditation. Education is important, but meditation is magnificent. Well, if you say so, if you don't mind, I would like to ask you a few questions about it. Sure, go ahead, let's discuss this further. See, if you look at education, it can really transform their lives. See, meditation can make you realized. It transforms the way you perceive, you think, you act. See, if a person is really good in education, he can get gold medals. So you may have gotten gold medals through education, but meditation made me golden moments. See, education has a potential to impart skills to someone. Through those skills, he can get jobs, salary, money, and so much more. The meditation can give you flexibility in life that enables you to do so much more in life. In my case, education made me appreciate so many new things in life. Meditation really makes you nurture that introspective self in you. To a society, through education, people become responsible taxpayers. It answers your calls, your prayers. See, education sharpened my intelligence. Of course, as you say, meditation deepens your awareness. In my case, something that I have not shared with so many people, that actually it was only through education my passion got stirred up. So you may have gotten passion through education, whereas meditation takes you towards a path of compassion. It made me perform my jobs in a very fruitful manner. Meditation can make you grateful for things that you receive in life. It made me a go-getter in life. Meditation can invoke inclusiveness in your life. And of course, it made me and things around me very colorful. Well, that's very nice. Meditation can purify your mind. It made me confident, pushed me outwards. You become outward through education, whereas meditation pulls you inward. Above all, I feel education made me feel who I am today. That's very interesting. Meditation showed me who am I. Well, you have made some wonderful points about meditation. So now I am convinced. So let's all educate to meditate. What do you think about that? Of course, I agree with you. Let's all educate to meditate. But I will present another perspective to you. See, for education, when you look around, we have millions of schools and colleges, isn't it? They all are there to educate us. I know a lot of people cannot access education as readily as some other people, but it's still there. But look at meditation. Meditation can give us education for life, but it's not available as readily around us. We all have to make an effort. So this new year, I'll urge you and everyone else to make a resolve, make an effort to learn meditation. Well, this debate will continue forever. But how about educate to meditate? Both are equally important. I would like to wish all of you a very happy new year, and in this new year give equal importance to education and meditation. Thank you.